Hi, Peter Wolfkamp here. I've come out to site today to have a look at the Resene Construction Systems Integra Cladding System. The guys have started with an AAC lightweight concrete panel, 50mm thick, being fastened to 40mm battens. The Integra Cladding System begins once the building has been wrapped and the joinery is installed. Then all of the penetrations and the joinery is flashed with our flashing suite, the battens are installed, and the 50mm Integra AAC lightweight concrete panel is fixed directly through to the structure. The next stage in the process is the exterior rendering. So the substrate's prepared. The first coat that goes on is the base coat that's applied by hand, levelled off, ready for the fiberglass mesh, which is installed over the entire surface. That's then encapsulated with a second coat, which again is levelled off in preparation for the finishing coats to come. Exterior plastering is restricted building work, which means that it can only be done or supervised by a licensed building practitioner, an LBP, who holds a license for exterior plastering. Now, Resene Construction Systems products are only supplied to contractors who are licensed to work in that area. This is the final coat of a 3-coat system. This is a natural mineral texture finish. There are a wide range of textures available. The selected Resene Construction Systems texture finish is mixed, applied and detailed by hand for the ultimate surface finish. The Resene Limelock Sealer is applied to assist the curing of the base plasters and improve the uniform application of the finishing coats of Resene X200. The X200 is an acrylic weather-tight membrane. It is applied in 2 coats, has excellent durability and is available in your favourite Resene colours. Resene Construction Systems, complete plaster facade systems to protect your investment.